Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. We have already learned how count function works in past. If you have not watched it, I have pasted the link in my bio. As today, we are going one step ahead of count function. The COUNTA function counts the number of cells that are not empty in a range, which means it counts everything except blank cells. It includes number, any error, alphabets, almost everything in a cell. This colored cells are the empty cells in data 1. Now, let's see what is the formula. It's almost same like count function. But, here we use COUNTA. Formula is like equal to then COUNTA with bracket open, then we'll select the range of my data, and we'll use bracket close. Completely same as count function, but the syntax is different. Now, let's see it in action. Equal to then type COUNTA, pressing tab will auto pop up opening bracket, we'll select our range and bracket close. Our result is 6. Let's check if it's true or not. And did it counted only cell containing data? We can see we do have 6 cell if you can count, as I have put numbers beside their next cell. And that's how COUNTA can easily helps you out in big data, easily letting you know how many cells have data. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.